So today we're going to put together this selfie stick. The brand is a Moutik selfie stick tripod for the smartphone, and I believe it holds both a smartphone and also a GoPro. Okie doke. So basically, when you get the kit, you get the actual selfie stick, which converts into a tripod. You get the Bluetooth button. You get the GoPro adapter, a couple of batteries, and a keyring holder, and there's your bag to hold it. So the first thing I'm going to do is have a look at the selfie stick, and let's basically get this off. Take off. This is I think this is the adapter for the iPhone, smartphone. Get that off. There we go. And then literally that then comes off. So next up is the smartphone adapter, and what you've got to do with this is, looking at the picture here, so that is basically the instruction manual, but as you can see there, you've got with my finger there, you've got the feet on either side of it. So with this, you need to I'm struggling to get this to open, but let's try it. So this is quite awkward to do, but yeah, so basically these ones actually fold back. So if you look here, here's the feet. So that's where you're going to grip your phone. So you're just going to literally rotate them through 90 degrees, and then that's where your phone will go, in between here, and that just slides open. And it takes the normal size phone or the plus size phone. The next thing we're going to do is put the battery in the Bluetooth button. For this, you've got to turn this to the left, kind of 90 degrees, and then take the back off. So literally, there's like a little lip just there. Got to be a bit rough with it. That comes off like that. So then turn it left to unlock it. It's a bit difficult doing this one-handed. Yeah. Oops. I'll just unlock it. So once you turn that to the left, then the back should just literally fall apart, I think. There you go. Is that right? Yep. And literally your battery just goes in there. Just a short note as well, if you put the battery in this way with the negative on the top, it's actually the wrong way around and your Bluetooth won't work. So you've got to put it in negative side down. When you're putting this in, if you just make sure that you just get that in there like that, and that's your positive side, and that goes on the top like that, negative underneath, and then your Bluetooth will work. There you go. Then when you press that button, you can automatically take a selfie, or I think start a movie or something, automatically film. So once you put the battery in this, you can then put this back into this little holder. That goes literally in there like so. That just then clips in, and then if you just turn that then round to the right 90 degrees, and that won't come out very easy. And then we have it. This then fits over here like so. And I found the best way is if you put this on here and then just kind of slide that up to the top. Then you've got your Bluetooth button. Also as well, just need to mention that I am in no way affiliated with this company, Moutik. This is literally just a simple me putting this together, and also just reviewing it as well. Seems to be quite well put together, so it's a lot better than the old one that I had. So this is just to show you how this converts from a selfie stick to a tripod. So to a selfie stick, all you got to do is just literally just pull up on here. There we go. Yep. Okay. So you end up with one selfie stick, and then if you push that down, so it's very difficult filming with one hand. So that's basically your selfie stick. And then you can convert it into a tripod here at the bottom. That's your 3 feet. If you just open them out, they just open like that. Hopefully I can do this for you. There we go. And then just put the feet down, and there you have it. One tripod. So what you also get with this is a mount for a camera. So that would basically that would just go in there using this little screw. That would fit in there like so. This just comes out, and I'll just put this together for you. And that is the camera bracket on it. One last thing that I have to do as well is just to show you the adapter for the GoPro. So literally, if I just take this off, this is that's the adapter for the smartphone. That just pulls out of there, and then just put on your GoPro or sports camera. Yep, actually fits. It's the same screw that just fits on there to hold your GoPro. And then you can have your GoPro either on the tripod or on the selfie stick. Cool. So what we're looking to do here is actually connect the device. So I'm just going to go into settings. I'm going to go here to Bluetooth, and then you want to press this photo shoot. You want to connect that. Right, okay, so what you've got to do is you've got to press this button for a few seconds until the blue light comes on. Then once the blue light comes on, then press connect, and press photo shoot and connect. Okay, so you connect to Photoshop, connect to Photoshop, and then once you've connected to Photoshop, then you can take pictures. And that's how to connect your Bluetooth to your selfie stick. So just to catch up, just to recap, I forgot to mention this earlier, how to turn off the Bluetooth function. So all you would do here is, without touching your phone, just touch and hold the button again for a few seconds, and then you'll see it go blue, and then as soon as it's gone blue, that Bluetooth is now off. And this is just to show you what happens actually on the phone when the Bluetooth is disconnected. I press the button, it goes blue, and then it goes off, and that's the Bluetooth disconnected at the switch, at the button rather, and disconnected on the phone as well. So I also just wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you for watching the video. Just want to reiterate as well, I am not affiliated in any way with Moutik, but I do like it. I think it's certainly a lot better than the previous one I had, and I bought it on eBay. I think it was about £12. So yeah, thanks once again for watching, and please watch out for the next video. If you could do me a massive favour, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep, the more people that want to see the videos, the more inspiration it is for me, and I'll hopefully keep making good content for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.